Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add shipment tracking in WooCommerce at 2026. So actually guys, I'm going to show you the best method for adding shipment tracking. Okay, it's using a shipment tracking plugin. Okay, and that's the best and recommended. So as I said, this is the fastest and safest way. No coding works with most careers. So what I want you to do is go on the left hand menu over on WooCommerce, and after that just go with the pop-up menu and click on extensions, the last option on it, and after that just go and click on browse extensions. So then just go ahead, use the search bar and look for WooCommerce shipment tracking. Right, so you will need to choose one. Alright, one extension. So as you can see, you will need to pay some bills for some extensions right here, and there are some extensions that require $0. So for example, we'll go with that one, and to buy it or to get a plan, you will need to choose one. There is the 1 year plan, 2 year plan, so just go ahead and click on add to cart. Okay, and then you will need to fill the blanks right here. You'll need to provide your credentials or your MasterCard, debit credit card credentials, just right here, and then just go with pay USD. All right, and after getting the extension, you will need to go back and activate the extension or the plugin, and then just open an order and scroll to shipment tracking and add tracking number, shipping provider, tracking URL, and that's an auto generated for many careers. Then just update the order. So in the final, the customers automatically receive the tracking link in emails, and tracking also appears in my accounts and orders. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.